Good morning everyone, and in today's video from Amazon Prime, link in the description, let's unbox ZTE Axon 40 Ultra, designed by ZTE Corporation. What's on the box? 5G logo. DTS X Ultras. Seriously? Whoa. I wanna hear that. Whoa. I think that's the first smartphone I've seen logo like that. It's amazing. I've seen Dolby Atmos, but DTS X? Wow. Wi-Fi 6, Qualcomm, Snapdragon sound. Box looks huge, so there's probably a case inside. Let's do it. Bam. Wow. Satisfaction. Wow, that box feels very nice. It's not the paper, it's I don't know, it's some kind of material, this box. It's soft. It's a soft box. I love it. Wow. Wow. Satisfaction. Wow. What? Wow. Those cameras are huge. Just compared to, look, this is Galaxy S21. This is like twice as big. Damn. And I love the size. It's not too wide. It feels extremely good in a hand. Similar to Sony smartphones. Well, nice. Wow, softbox. There you go. Wow. Talk about presentation. Wow, I love it. SIM card tool. Warranty card. Whoa. Wow. It's like a book. Look at the print. Shines. It smells. Smells like technology. Wow. It's a premium feel. And of course the case. We have a case. We do have a case included. Wow. Transparent case. Well, it's not extremely transparent. It's like a bit white. It's okay. That's okay. It's free, so I love it. What else do we have here? Wow. Charger. Check out the charger. USB Type-C charger. How many watts is that? 65 watts. Very nice. We even have headphones. Damn. And this is for your USB Type-C to jack converter. And headphones included. Wow. Wow. Everything is included. What's in here? Power cable? There it is. That's the power cable. USB Type-C power cable. So with the Axon 40 Ultra, I'm sorry, we have it all. You literally don't need anything else. It's a full package. Full package experience. You have it all. Satisfaction. Axon. Okay, let's take that sticker. Bam. Wow. 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 Wow, the back is shiny. Those insane cameras. We definitely need to test them. Damn. 3 times 64 megapixels. Neo vision photography. Wow. Okay, what's on the back? Antenna, power button, which is very tiny, and has a texture on it, so you won't miss it. Volume buttons, antenna. On the top, ear blaster, speaker, 2 antennas. Antenna, so many antennas. On the bottom, SIM card tray, microphone, antenna, USB Type-C, antenna, and speaker. So many antennas. We need to test this smartphone in 5G. There's also a front camera and a speaker on the top. All right. Wow. Where's the camera? Do you see the camera? Well, you could see the plastic because there's a plastic on the screen, and you usually don't see the camera. Seamless. And okay, there is a little bit of chin, but wow, first impression is crazy. Is it smooth? Wow, that's smooth. Whoa, look at that screen. Whoa, it's one of the best screens I've seen in any smartphone. Wow. First, what we need to do is test that front-facing camera. Oof. Look at the shadows on my t-shirt. Ouch. Well, we will make a further testing, but it's not dirty. It's not like a dirty lens. It is what it is. Not great. But rear camera. Damn. This is good. HDR auto. In video, can we go 4K? I never have that. Full HD, yeah. 8K. Damn. Wow. Okay. Can film in 8K. We definitely gonna test that. All right. Change the wallpaper. Wow, we have so many wallpapers. All of them are beautiful. Wow. It looks so cool without the notch, without the cutout, without anything without any just hole. I love it. For consuming content, this is no brainer. Wow, look at that wallpaper. Amazing. Damn. They're all fantastic. Wow. It has a very nice wallpapers. Whoa. I didn't expect that. There was a live one. Alright. Alright. Okay, this is stationary. They're all fantastic. Let's see the audio quality. "4K 120, 4K 60, 4K 8K videos. 8K video from all the lenses. Wide angle, 1x, and telephoto. Imagine that. That's cool. Night and portrait. Oof. Let me show you some samples.
Autofocus and wide angle will give you that French fries experience.
Wow. That's the cream.
Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, but I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Let's not get ahead of my time.
Alright, so this is just the unboxing experience. First impression, very, very good, especially with those huge cameras. It reminds me of a professional camera with the video quality. Whoa. It is one of the best flagship experience I had in many, many months. And this is the last year flagship. I wonder what they do in this year, or maybe next one. That's all I have. Thanks for watching, and see you in the full review and camera review.